In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table in Yahoo Mail. If you've ever tried to find a table button in Yahoo Mail, you've probably noticed there isn't one. The easiest and most reliable way is to build your table in another app. Then paste it directly into your email. I'll walk you through it clearly so your table looks clean and professional. First, open Excel, Google Sheets, or Word and design your table there. Pick the tool you are most comfortable with. Spreadsheets are great for data, and Word works well for simple layouts. Set up the rows and columns you need. Add clear headers and keep your formatting simple. Use readable fonts, modest colors, and thin borders so it looks good in an email. Make sure your table isn't too wide. Aim for something that fits nicely on a standard screen without forcing sideways scrolling. If numbers are involved, align them consistently and consider bolding the header row to improve readability. The key is to finalize the look here because whatever you create will carry over into Yahoo Mail when you paste. Next, copy the table. Click and drag to highlight the entire table, making sure you've selected all the cells you want to include and not extra blank space around it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Cmd-F. That places the formatted table onto your clipboard, ready to paste. Now, head to Yahoo Mail and compose your message. Click into the message body exactly where you want the table to appear above your signature, after your greeting, or below a short introduction. With your cursor in place, paste the table. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Cmd-F. You should see your table appear with its borders, colors, and alignment intact. If something looks off, maybe a column is too narrow, or a font is too small, just go back to your original file, adjust the table there. Copy it again, and paste it once more into the email. That approach keeps the formatting consistent and saves time. After the table is in, press Enter to add space and continue typing any notes or explanations below it. Just like regular text, that's all there is to it. Design your table where formatting tools are strongest, copy it, and then paste it right into Yahoo Mail. It's quick, dependable, and keeps your email looking polished. Thanks for watching.